So, Dr. Malini Rajanan, thank you so much. And I can see you've got the VapingVR headset with you. And
Yep.
look, thank you so much for working on this program right from day one. And you've been instrumental, one of the key members to actually make it happen, frankly, with Dr. Prasan and Dr. Karen Fisher and the department. Can you give us sort of your insight and why do you think this will help?
Sure. I think, for a long time, the message has not been really delivered well in terms of when it comes to vaping, right? So, look back 50 years ago when it comes to smoking, we're using the same utility that we do in terms of prevention of harms when it comes to vaping, flyers, messages, your typical CBT programs, which is actually not hitting right or sitting in well with the right population, which are the youth people. And we know the thing with youth and the young people is they're very knowledgeable and they're very well in tuned in terms of technology. So we thought, why not use this opportunity and provide them with the right space and the right tool, but as a source of education, true entertainment, so edutainment, as you rightly say, and give them the information about vaping. So we're not asking or telling the youth team or the young people saying, hey, this is harm, you should stop it, but rather saying, this is the message, this is the evidence, you make your decision. And I think that's what the youth, young people like. They're never being told what to do. It's always a message. But so that was how the whole purpose and everything came about. And I'm glad that we found you. And we made this work 3 years down the track. And, it's a 5-minute short, sweet message that goes into the app, very immersive experience that gives you all the information that you need. And the young person gets to make that decision what they want to do when it comes to vaping.
Perfect. Thank you. And we wish you all the best with rolling out this program. And I think it's definitely a significantly impactful experience from a VR point of view. So we hope this really does well. So thank you, Dr. Malini.
Thank you. Thank you so much to you too.